Welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. Today's video is about how to get smaller waist fast. Let's get right into the video. How to get a smaller waist fast. Quick and effective methods to attain that desired waist size and flaunt it. If you want to know how to get a smaller waist in a week, you have landed at the right place. 1. Understand your body. This is the most important step, understanding your body type. If you are someone who gains weight quickly and finds it difficult to lose weight as quickly, your body type is endomorphic. If both gaining and losing weight is easy for you, you have a mesomorphous body type. And, if gaining weight is difficult for you, you have an ectomorphous body type. Depending on your body type, you may need less or more time to get a smaller waist. The mantra is to stay positive and keep doing the following. 2. Alter your diet. You are what you eat. Increase your fruit and vegetable consumption to lose weight soon. They are rich in antioxidants, dietary fiber, and minerals and low in calories, except high GI fruits and veggies. This makes fruits and vegetables perfect for weight loss. Also, consume nuts, seeds, herbs, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats in the right portions. 3. Drink adequate water. Another important thing to do when you are trying to lose weight is to drink adequate amounts of water. Drinking 2 to 3 liters is recommended. Increase your water intake if you work out, sweat a lot, or live in hot weather conditions. Staying hydrated helps to prevent your body from getting confused between thirst and hunger. 4. Make time for cardio. To use up the calories you consume as well as the stored calories, you must exercise. Choose a form of exercise that suits your lifestyle and interests you. It can be dancing, cycling, kickboxing, running, walking, swimming, or playing sports. We recommend exercising for 3 to 5 hours a week. Also, add strength training and heat to your workout routine to get a toned and fit body. 5. Work on your upper body. Apart from working on your entire body, it is important to work on your upper body as well. Do exercises that target your upper back, shoulders, and chest. Working on these muscles will help build lean muscle mass and make your upper body look toned. This, in turn, will make your waist look smaller. 6. Target your waist and lower belly. You need to add a few exercises to your routine that will help tone your waist and lower belly. Here are a few exercises you may do: leg raises, side-lying leg raises, mountain climbers, Spider-Man mountain climbers, vertical leg up crunches, flutter kicks, scissor kicks, Russian twist, resistance band side bends, top whole body, plank. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video. God bless you.